I'm at 524 East Ferguson. This is in Wood River, Illinois. And before we go in, I'll tell you what, when we turned down the street, I was not believing that the house was going to be on the street. It's so freaking cute. And leading in that way was cute little, more kind of historic looking downtown buildings. All of these houses are absolutely adorable. This is a B neighborhood, maybe B+. I'll get a confirmation on it. Lots of commercial stuff around, which is great. Totally different style house than I've been seeing, and I like it. This one is in the middle of construction. I don't know yet if we're totally in. All right. Woo. Got a really cool, I don't know what you call this, front entryway sunroom type of deal.
Okay. All right.
Oh yeah, so this one actually looks like it's nearing the end of... Did you say this one's available?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so this rehab's pretty much ready. As soon as tenants are in, it will be ready to close. How many beds and bath?
It is 1, 2.
Wow, this looks
3 bed.
fantastic.
3 bed. You got a full bath here, and then there's another one in the basement.
3 bed, 1.5 bath.
1 bedroom bath here, and I think there's another full one in the basement.
So we've got the brand new carpet in the bedrooms.
There's one with a shower and a toilet.
Cool.
In the basement.
Got the flooring. Got new flooring in here. Bathroom looks fantastic.
Looks good, guys. Looking real good.
This looks amazing. It even smells nice and new.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see. So from this bedroom, we've got back to the hallway, and we've got, I'm assuming, the kitchen. I'll clarify that as we go.
We buy as many as we get our hands on, but I gotta get the properties, you know what I mean? So it takes a minute sometimes.
Got an extra bedroom.
We did 120 properties last year. So you don't get to see all of our operations. We're down in like Belleville, Fairview, Fallon, Shiloh. So we're kind of just
Huge
picking up
kitchen.
Wood River.
Got it by the airport.
This place looks great. So that goes to that
Basement.
bedroom, and then so there's that bedroom we were just in.
Did you see
Basement.
the 3rd bedroom back there?
Yeah.
So you got brand new HVAC right here.
Nice. This basement's huge. Brand new HVAC. Wow, this loops all the way around. Hot water heater. Oh yeah, this would be easy to finish later too.
You got another bathroom down here.
Oh, this is that 3/4
Yeah.
bathroom. Fantastic. Cool.
The basements, we usually paint the ceilings black, so it just looks nice and clean.
Oh, nice.
You can see it a little better when you look out here.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of times in these basements, what'll happen is like when the tenant wants to move in, you know, they'll have a teenage kid, they'll throw a big, nice rug down here and a couch and a TV.
Yeah.
And do what they want with it, you know?
Yeah, this is fantastic. Is there a backyard? Or
We can go back, it's got a huge garage in the back too.
oh wow. Wait, that?
Yes.
Seriously? Alright, so looking out the front, come back around. And that?
Yes.
Wow.
Get it back there well.
Oh, you
Down
down
the
there?
basement comes
Yeah.
up out here.
Holy God. This is huge. So 2-car, easily.
Police department, brand new police department, they just built right there.
Brand new police department. Oh yeah, right across there. Whatever that building is in great shape. Wow, so it's like a carport and a garage. Very cool. With a little fenced-in section.
There's another stairway down here.
Another stairwell.
Just a little stairwell that goes into the.
Oh,
Where's the walkway at? Right here.
so it's like a private entrance for those obnoxious teenagers. Down to the basement still? Perfect.
Right out there in the middle.
Yeah. This is great. Thank you. Whoop. I should watch where I'm going. We'll do one last walk up the front.
I'll meet you out here in a minute.
Okay. So here's, you guys can see the siding. See, can you see all the way up there? Not gonna lie, this is my favorite one of today. It seems like they underpriced it. So this one is gonna go for around $130 and renting for about $1,300 is the estimate. Tenants in by closing. There you go.